Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we shall learn new chapter that is triangles, standard 10th subject mathematics. So in this chapter, we are going to study various subtopics. First one is introduction, second one is similar figures, third similarity of triangles, fourth criteria for similarity of triangles, fifth areas of similar triangles, sixth Pythagoras theorem, and last summary. First take the subtopic 1, that is introduction. In the introduction part, what we have learned in previous class and what we are going to learn in this chapter. So in the previous class we have learned triangle and many of their properties. In class 9th we have studied congruence of triangles in detail. And third topic was congruent and similar figures. And many topics we have learned. In these chapters we are going to learn similar figures, second similarity of triangles, and apply this knowledge in giving a simple proof of Pythagoras theorem. And third one is different theorems. So in this chapter there are many theorems. First BPT theorem, in short, and Thales theorem. So BPT means basic proportionality theorem. And second one is Pythagoras theorem, third one is converse Pythagoras theorem, and fourth one is similarity theorem. Let us quickly recall what is the meaning of triangle and which are those different parts of a triangle. So this is a triangle ABC. So the definition of triangle is it is a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines. It's called a triangle. So triangle has got three parts. First part is sides, second part is angle, and third part is vertices. There are three sides: line segment AB, line segment BC, and line segment AC. And three angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C. And three vertices are what? End point of a triangle. So vertices A, B, and C. Here I have made three columns. In the first column, similar figures and congruent figures. In the second column, I have made only congruent figures. And in the last column, only similar figures I have drawn. In the first column, similar figures as well as congruent figures. See here, this is the line AB, and this is line PQ, and this is line CD. So among these three lines, congruent figures I have drawn. Line AB, so length of this line is 5 cm, and next line is line CD, and length of this line also 5 cm. So both this line AB and line CD is congruent. So we can write like this. So this is line AB is congruent to line CD. Next, similar figure. So similar figure, so we have to take this line AB and line PQ. So line AB is 5 cm and line PQ is 3 cm. So these two are similar figure. Line AB is similar to line PQ. To understand the concept of congruent figures and similar figures, let us take one more example of circle. In the first column, I have drawn similar circle as well as congruent circles. So this is circle of radius 3 cm, this is circle of radius 2 cm, and this is circle of radius 3 cm. In the congruent, the circle is 3 cm, and one more circle is drawn, that is also 3 cm. So this circle is congruent to this circle. So same shape and same size. So shape is circle and size is also 3 cm and 3 cm radius I have taken. In the similar figure, I have taken circle of radius 3 cm and circle of radius 2 cm. So this circle is similar to this circle. Now let us take third example, that is square. Here ABCD and square PQRS are congruent figure. So ABCD is congruent to PQRS, and similar figures we can take this ABCD square and square LMNO. So square ABCD is similar to square LMNO. So these are the examples of coins. This is 2 rupee coin, this is also 2 rupee coin, and this is 1 rupee coin. So these two coins are congruent and these two coins are similar. So this is one more example of to understand the concept of similar figures and congruent figures. So that is triangle. So this triangle ABC and this triangle PQR both are called congruent figures. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, and this triangle NPM and triangle PQR called similar figures. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle NLM. In the next video, under the subtopic similarity of triangles, we are going to learn detail. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.